I do all kinds of bagels, and I could not choose a favorite.
This is from C. Gargizo12 on Instagram. We heard your favorite pizza toppings. What's your favorite bagel order?
Oh, well, that goes to you, because I run a bagel lab here on the weekends. Not every weekend, but every like third or fourth weekend. I do all kinds of bagels, and I could not choose a favorite out of all the many, many that I do. I do this gorgeous Asian style bagel with ginger, pickled ginger on top, ginger, garlic, scallion, toasted sesame, shiso leaf.
Yeah, that was going to be my answer.
Yeah, that's a good one. I put it on toasted poppy seed.
Oh, it's so good.
I do the everything cream cheese on everything bagels.
You gotta love salmon on a bagel?
With salmon, capers, dill, shaved cucumber, tomato, like the works. I just did, because John wanted Italian for dinner, but he wanted a bagel for breakfast. So I just did pepperoni cream cheese bagels with scallions, garlic, fresh oregano, parsley, grated pepperoni in the cream cheese on the toasted sesame or toasted everything, with micro basil all over the top of it. You like that a lot.
You had me at pepperoni cream cheese.
We do horseradish scallion, horseradish bacon. We do a lot of different cream cheeses here. That's a tough one. The great thing is, once you get into cooking even a little bit, you don't have to pick and choose favorites ever again, because you can make them all. Just put them in rotation.
Okay, this is from Boatech on 23 on Instagram. How do you know what onion to use with different dishes? It confuses me.
Well, onions are a really large family. Oh, look at this big turkey in the backyard. Listen, if I have a white onion and I don't have a yellow-skinned onion, I use the white onion. If I have a red onion and I don't have a yellow skin or a white onion, guess what wins? The red onion. It's going to put flavor into the dish that tastes like onion. Leeks are a little different. They're more subtle, and shallots are kind of different, but just marginally. If you're just going to add onion flavor, you can even do it with granulated onion or dried onion, of course. You can get there in a lot of different ways. Don't be, too cognizant of that. When I'm making something where onion is the main ingredient, as with any dish, if you're making a dish where that ingredient is the star, like you're making French onion soup, then you care about the onion being nice and tight and not spongy, and the skin is still tight when you try to peel them, and you want 5 or 6 really big onions to fill the pot to overflowing before you slowly caramelize them and develop their sugars, and they should be uniform shape and size and all of the same variety. I just use a large yellow-skinned onion for French onion soup, but if you're making something where that ingredient is the star, that's when you worry. If you're using it as one of multiple ingredients in making a red sauce or a marinara or chili, for instance, you're fine. Use whatever onion you got in the house.